If you want to figure out how old your particular power supply is, whether it's got any errors, calibration problems or some kind of hardware failure, watch a video. I'll show you how to check those things. If it's your first time here, click on the subscribe button and on the bell icon to get notifications about new videos. So I'm going to show you how to quickly do some basic checks on this thing to make sure it's behaving okay. Now there's a couple of things you can do. One is to have it turned off, hold down this button here and power it up, give it a second to beep. It does a self-test and it'll tell you if it's passed or not. Now the other thing is you can go into these menus here, view, got display, errors. Click view again, no errors. Seems to at least think it's working okay. So other things you can do, you can go into display again, firmware revision, you can look at that, see which firmware it's running. And you can also go in and look at the cal string, which is actually the calibration date from the factory. So this is basically tells you how old it is exactly. 13th October 2005 with this particular unit. So this particular unit is 14 years old. I think that's all the menus are in there actually. Let's go through. And just exit as the last one. So there you go.